Hey everyone, at the 2024 Gamescom event, Zotac made a significant leap into the handheld gaming market, with the introduction of the Zotac Zone, their first ever gaming device. This entry brings Zotac's hardware expertise to portable gaming, offering a device packed with high-end features that aim to deliver a premium gaming experience. Let's take a closer look at what the Zotac Zone has to offer. The Zone boasts a 7-inch AMOLED touchscreen display that promises sharp and fluid visuals. With a 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 1080p, the device is poised to deliver smooth gameplay with vibrant graphics. The screen's peak brightness of 800 nits ensures that gaming in bright environments remains comfortable, while HDR support adds an extra layer of visual depth. Moreover, the display covers over 100% of the DCI-P3 color space, and 150% of the sRGB color space, ensuring rich, vibrant colors and deep blacks, making it ideal for both casual and competitive gaming. Under the hood, the Zotac Zone is powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 8840U processor, which, coupled with 16 gigs of LPDDR5X memory, promises robust performance for demanding games. The 512 gigs M2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD ensures rapid storage and load times, minimizing wait times and keeping you in the action. For those needing more storage, the device includes a UHS-2 microSD card reader, allowing for easy expansion. Zotac has clearly prioritized control and customization with the Zone's hardware. The handheld features Hall effect triggers and joysticks, utilizing electromagnetic induction technology to eliminate issues like joystick drift, a common problem in many gaming controllers. The triggers offer 2 stages of adjustment, allowing gamers to choose between short and long trigger travel based on game requirements. The addition of 2 touchpads and a sliding wheel for system settings further enhances control, giving players a wide range of customization options to fine-tune their gaming experience. The Zotac Zone supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring fast, stable wireless connections and broad compatibility with wireless accessories. The device is equipped with 2 USB 4 ports, one on the top and one on the bottom, providing flexible options for connecting external devices. For added security, a fingerprint reader is integrated into the power button, allowing for secure and convenient access to the device. Ergonomics were a key consideration in the appearance of the Zotac Zone. The device features integrated kickstands, ergonomic handles, and a symmetrical layout that ensures comfort during extended gaming sessions. The dual downward-firing speakers are developed to deliver clear, immersive audio, further enhancing the gaming experience. Zotac has also engineered a robust cooling system, incorporating fast airflow, 3 heat pipes, and an aluminum heatsink fin array, to keep the device cool even during long gaming marathons. Zotac offers a range of accessories to complement the Zone. These include a portable carrying case with additional storage, and a multi-port extension dock featuring an NVMe SSD interface, perfect for those who need more storage or connectivity options. Additionally, the handheld comes with a 1-month subscription to PC Game Pass, providing access to a vast library of games right out of the box. The Zotac Zone marks a strong entry into the handheld gaming market, blending high-end specifications with thoughtful appearance and innovative controls. With its sharp display, powerful internals, and ergonomic appearance, the Zone is well equipped to compete with established players in the handheld space. Whether you're a casual gamer or hardcore enthusiast, the Zotac Zone offers a portable gaming experience that doesn't compromise on performance or comfort. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.